So I'm shooting this little voiceover here quickly, mainly because I forgot to shoot an introduction to this video. That's such a stupid mistake. I hope it doesn't happen again. But anyway, the entire point of today's video is to fix leaky shock caps. Now, I recently upgraded my Traxxas Slash with all aluminum bodied shocks when I broke my plastic ones. And then from there, I proceeded to upgrade my truck to make it completely blue. There's a video on that coming soon. And then the blue shock caps, ever since I put them on there, they've been kind of leaking a little bit. By a little bit, I mean a good amount. I've had to refill the shocks a couple of times now. But the problem lies where the cap and the shock touches, so we're going to fix that today. It's super duper cheap, and you probably have this stuff laying around if you have like a plumbing bag. So I'm gonna stop flapping my gums, and we're gonna start the video. Okay, we're almost done. We have shock caps, shock seals, shock spacers, and the old fluid that was in there. Now, I did that because my shocks were leaking and I'm trying to fix them, as you've noticed, but there was grime going up into the seals, which means that it easily could have gotten down into the shock, so I had to take it apart, clean it, and everything. So, and then the springs are in the laundry room soaking in hot water. So I'm going to go from there. We're going to try to fix it with some Teflon tape to try to seal it up a little bit there, and it should hopefully be done. So we'll see you whenever I see you next. Okie dokie, we are done. We have our liquids that are going to be discarded. It's all like the alcohol that we were using to clean out the seals and spacers and everything that got really oily, and the oil that was in there. So that's all going to go just away. It's going to get dumped down the drain probably. And then these three other cups, one was for the springs, one was for the spacers and the bottom and the spring cups up there. You would know what I'm talking about if you have one. And then one was for the shock caps. No, I think I already said shock caps. Okay, one was for the shock caps, one was for the seals, and one was for... I'm missing a cup. A cup's actually in the trash already. So, springs, shock caps, seals, and then the bottom spring cup and the top spring cup and the spacers. So we have our Teflon all on there. I'm actually going to leave the little bit of excess. It's not really showing down there. Plus, it looks kind of cool. So front and the rears, and I'm going to put you guys back on time lapse, and we're going to put them on this here slash 4x4. Whole video coming out on this soon. Okie dokie, we are done. We have the Teflon on there, so hopefully it should no longer leak. So you can see this thing is pretty well built out. This is what most would call a high performance RC car at this point. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.